It just occurred to me that now that we have a query column, doing something like a running total should be really, really easy. This is something that people ask about from time to time, and there's a few different ways of doing it and none of them are straightforward. But I haven't tried this, but let's have a go. So imagine we've got a table with monthly revenue and cost data, what have you, whatever. And just on the revenue side, we've got a month by month total in this column here. And then we've got a total for the year. But what if we wanted for each month, if we wanted like a year to date number, so like a running total month by month? Normally that'd be quite tricky, but let's give it a go. I haven't tried it, so I'm not sure it's going to work. I think first we'll probably need some row indexes. So I'll add a row ID column. Right, so now we want all row IDs, which is our favorite lookup column, which takes where we are, we're in months row ID. Okay, and then we want row index column, which is going to be the find element index, and we're going to look in all row IDs, and we're going to find the row ID. And we just want that single precision, and maybe it's okay. So now we have a row index. So now I think year total, let's just add it here. Let's add a query column here. Oops. A query column. I always have trouble coming up with good names for the query columns because they're kind of like a relation. Okay, so what we want is we want months, and we want to filter where the row index is less or equal to this row index. Oh, that looks promising. Okay, so that should give me, I think, yeah, 1, 2, 3, and it should progress up. Oh, wow. Okay, so now all we need is a roll up, and we can call this Y to D revenue, and that needs to be a roll up, and through the query, and we want revenue month total, and we want sum. Okay, sum. Look at that, magic. I'll make that dollars. 44. Yeah, look at that. So no, something's not right there, because the total for the first month was 246, but our year to date has given us 304. Let's just pause that. I'll try and figure it out. Yeah, okay. So I figured that out. I was looking at costs rather than revenue, so I need to move this over here, and then it'll make sense. And then year to date. So yeah, so for January 304, 303, which is correct. Then in February we make another 331.42, which looks about right. Then we add another 300,000 to that in February. So yeah, cool. So a roll up, running total with basically two columns. Wow, you need the row index, but then wow, that's so much easier than what we used to do.